I told you.
Nadia, there's a little baby one over here. Or it's a... Oh, no, it's not a little baby one. It's a pig. What about the piggy? The piggy needs comb too. Come on.
I don't like a pig. A pig is cute.
You're combing a piggy.
Es que no está mirando para acá, pues.
I'm coming. Oh, he's cool.
Hey, come back here.
He looks like an Oreo. Look, Nadia, donkeys. Or burro. Look at that big pig. You're just looking for something to comb, huh? Nadia, I don't think you can pet that one. He looks mean.
Hey!
Are you done brushing stuff, Nadia?
No!
No?
I like to brush.
What about this one that's laying down over here?
Feel him, Daddy.
Alright, let me see.
Feel his fur.
Let's see how sweet he is. Ooh, it's soft. Alright, get back, baby. You can't go in there.
Look at the orange one.
That's cool, huh?